Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into 1Password for secure password management, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for 1Password. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Once the 1Password webpage loads, locate the Login button, usually found at the top right corner. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to the Login page. Here, you'll see fields for your email address and master password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, move to the second field and type in your master password. If you're using a shared device, you may want to check the option for two-factor authentication if it's available. Once both fields are filled out correctly, click on the Login button below. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will be prompted to enter your one-time password. Open your authentication app to retrieve the code. Type in the one-time code in the designated field. Click on the Verify or Submit button to proceed. After successful verification, you will be redirected to your 1Password dashboard. Here, you can manage your passwords and secure notes efficiently. Congratulations, you are now logged into 1Password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.